Hi students, so this is a how-to video on how to access your Clever account in case you guys forgot. Before you freak out and say, Miss R, I do not know my password, I do not know my email, I should have sent by now your password and email to your parents. So if you forgot it, just ask your parents and have them check on their Dojo messages because where I would have sent your email and your password to them. So first step is what you have to click on. You can either use Chrome or Safari, whatever internet browser you want to use. I'm on Chrome already, so click on Chrome. You could use Safari if you want to. So once you are on the internet, I want you to go to clever.com. So you're going to go on the browser, right? And you're going to clear it out and you're going to write clever.com and hit enter on your keyboard. Okay, you're going to see a page very similar to this on your computer or on your tablet, whatever you're using. You could even go on your parents' iPhones, Android, whatever they have their phone. You can even go on as long as they have internet, you can even do this on their phone as well. So once you're here, you're going to click on the blue button on the top right that says log in as a student. Click on it. Okay. And then I want you to click on the button that says log in with Google. You're going to click on that one. I'm going to click X here. From here, you're going to see a page very similar to this. You will not, this is similar, your page will not look like this because these are my emails. Your computer, your phone, your iPad, your tablet won't have this, but because I've saved my emails already, that's why I have easy access to my emails here. So what I want you guys to click on is use another account or log into another account. So click on that. This is where you're going to enter your email and your password that I sent you. So for this example, I'm using a student's email because a student's email is going to look very different than a teacher's, or a student's Clever page is going to look different than my Clever page. So I'm using Jaden's email. So Jaden, hope you don't mind, but I'm using your email as an example. So type in your email, just like how I sent it. So type in your email, usd.org. Click on next and type your password. Your password's super important that you write it or you type it just how I sent it to you. So it should be your first name with the first letter of your name capitalized, your first letter of your last name capitalized, and then it's going to be your birth date, a month, date, and then the year. So make sure you copy exactly how I sent it to your parents on Class Dojo. Then click next. Okay, it's loading. That means I'm in. That means I entered my password correctly. If you're not entering your password correctly, make sure you double check that you're capitalizing the first letter of your name and the first letter of your last name. Because if you do not capitalize those two, you will not be able to log in. It's going to say your password is incorrect. So if you have any troubles after the first time, please dojo me on or message me on Class Dojo. Okay, now that you're here, you're going to click on the deck because that's my class page. From here, you are now logged into our class page on Clever. So these are going to be tools that we're going to be using for distance learning. During this time, before you receive your packets on March 30th, you can go on Imagine Math Facts, you can go on iReady, you can go on YouHue. I will also be sending parents your YouHue password this week as well. If you have a computer at home, you can access all of this. I don't want you to go on Extra Math yet or YouHue or Wonderopolis because you do not know what those are yet. I will be sharing a video soon explaining what those are. You can absolutely go on Imagine Math Facts, go on iReady, go on YouHue. Let me know how you're feeling on a daily basis, and Mystery Science. When you go if you don't have a computer, like I said, you cannot go on Imagine Math Facts or iReady. You can on your iPhone, or your parents' phone, whatever they have in Android. You can go on Mystery Science. So what I want you guys to do today is go on Mystery Science if you can. And the Mystery Science, you shouldn't have to put in a email or password or any of that. So Mystery Science are putting up videos or mini lessons about some really cool, interesting topics. So once you click on Mystery Science, is going to lead you to this lesson on how does hand sanitizer kill germs. It was a really interesting lesson, and it was only 5 minutes. So I definitely recommend you watching this lesson of the day. You don't need a computer for this. You can watch it on your phone. So those are my steps on how to go on Clever. You go to clever.com. Let me go back. Clever.com, you click on this blue button that says log in as a student. Then you click on use another account. You enter your email, then your password. Make sure you are very careful with your password. That should, if all goes well, you should go to, it will lead you to Clever. And you're going to click on our class page, and here you'll have access to our tools that we will be using. Remember, do not go on Wonderopolis yet or Extra Math because I have not explained those. Do go on Imagine Math Facts. Send me a photo on Class Dojo that you are using Imagine Math Facts, that you're using iReady, that you watched the lesson of the day on Mystery Science. And I'll be uploading a video soon on how to access your Gmail and how to send an email on that, because I don't want you using Gmail just yet. So yeah, this was my how-to video on how to access Clever. If you have any questions, if you have any comments, let me know on Class Dojo, okay? Stay safe, stay healthy. I miss you guys. And go use these tools during distance learning. They're going to help your brain grow, okay? Bye.